Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the right thread and spool because tension and stitch quality depend on it. Place the spool on the machine's holder and secure the cap. This prevents slipping. Now pull about 6 to 8 inches of thread toward the front so you have a tail to work with. Once done, guide the thread under the first thread guide. This sets initial control and prevents tangling as you progress to the tension and take-up lever steps. You now follow the numbered threading path printed on many Zoje machines because each guide moderates tension and stitch formation. Bring the thread down through the tension discs so it seats fully. This controls feed under load. Next, pull up and thread the take-up lever from top to bottom when the lever is at its highest. This ensures proper loop formation. Then guide the thread through lower needle guides and finally through the needle eye. Make sure it's smooth and taut to avoid skipped stitches. You're finishing by ensuring the bobbin is seated and its thread feeds in the correct direction. Incorrect bobbin placement causes uneven stitches. Thread the needle from front to back and pull both bobbin and upper threads toward the machine's rear, leaving 4 to 6 inches of tail. Lower the presser foot to set tension, then slowly hand turn the handwheel to bring up the bobbin thread. If you see loops or skipped stitches, recheck seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.